Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we're going to do another coding exercise using pointers. So we would like to write a program that using a pointer we are going to print an array and access all the elements of array. So write a program that access an array and print its elements using a pointer. So this is what we're going to do. We know how to initialize an array, so it is an array of type integer. There are 5 elements in this array, and we are pointing to the first element of the array. So the first element of the array is how the first element of the array is accessible using a sign and sign here and sign here before the name of the array. We are basically having access to the address where the first element of the array is stored. So we are giving the address of where the first element of the uh, array is stored. So using this line, we are pointing to the first element of the array. So the pointer knows where the first element of the array now is stored. So now, in order to make some clarifications, let me print the PTR. So only the PTR, and then the address of the first element of the array. So we expect that they should be the same. Okay, great. So they are the same. Why? The reason is we are giving the address of the first element of the array, the value 1, to this pointer. So when we are using PTR, it is going to print the address where the first element of the array is stored in, and using this line and ARR and 0, we are going to print the address of where the first element of this array is stored in the memory. So we see that everything works perfectly, and now we are going to print the value of the first element of the array just using the array syntax directly, and also using the dereferencing the pointer. Using a pointer, we are going to print that. We expect the values should be the same again. Okay, so we see that we wanted to assign the pointer to point at the first element of this array, and we see the first value is 1. Using this line it is printed, and the pointer is also pointing to the value, the first element of the array, whose value is 1. So the pointer works perfectly and everything is good now. So let us now print the elements of this array using the pointers and for loops. To do so, we know, because we need to iterate over all the elements of the array, we need a for loop. And a for loop is going to start from 0 until I is lower than 5. So basically this means that I equals 0, I equals 1, I equals 2, I equals 3, I equals 4. And there are 5 elements in the array, so this represents the first element, second, third, fourth, and the fifth element. So we are going to print element I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because I equals 0, but because C++ starts from 0, we can simply just add 1 to show that we are talking about the first element. And then, because we would like to print the value, we are going to print the value of the first element of the array plus I. That plus I means, let me just type down the details so you would have a better understanding. So now I plus 1 is printed. And then we have the star PTR, the pointer plus I. So this means that when I equals 0 in the first iteration, 0 plus 1 is printed, and then the pointer is 1. The pointer is pointing to the first element now because I equals 0, so the pointer is going to pointing at the first element. So basically, now let me just run and see the first line result. Let me just comment this part so it would have a more clean output. So we see that when I equals 0, it is printing the element 1, which is this part, element 1. And we are pointing at the first element whose value is 1. And then we see here that the pointer is pointing to the first element, and no value is added to this because I equals 0. So it is still going to point at the first element. When I equals 1, we will have element I plus 1. This means that I equals 1, so 1 plus 1, this means 2. And then pointer is already pointing at the first element plus 1. So it is going to point at the second element this time. So let's compile. As you see here, when I equals 1, so we are having the element 2, and pointer was already pointing at the first element. Now I equals 1, so I is added to the pointer, so pointer is going to point to the second element. So then I equals 2, element 2 plus 1 means that it's 3. Pointer equal to 1 already in the initialization. It is going to have access to this one, and it is going to be added by 2 because of this line, because it is added by 2. Now I equals 2. So pointer is going to point to the third element. So let's run. Great. We see in here when I equals 2, we have the element 3. So element 3, and pointer was already pointing to the first element plus I, and I equals 2, so it is going to point to the third element whose value is 3. So using this loop, and then I equals 3 and I equals 4 as well. So we see that using a pointer, we can iterate over an array and access to all the elements of array, and we learned how to point to the first element of the array. And if we would like to, for example, have access to the second element of the array using a pointer, for example, now the address of the second element of this array, which means 2, is being assigned to the pointer. So pointer now is pointing to the second element of the array. But because for the sake of simplicity, we started with the first element. Depending on what you want to do, you can simply change the pointer is pointing to which element of the array. Thank you for watching.